Hi, good evening. This is Nini Idar, and this exercise is for my bio class 225 for aseptic technique in microbes, culturing microbes. First of all, I sanitize the work area. I wiped it with alcohol wipes, so to prevent any cross-contamination. I have my pipette. Wearing my safety gear, and unfortunately can't wear my goggles since I'm wearing glasses. First of all, I labeled my tubes already. So this is for epidermis, which is Streptococcus epidermis, and this is my Streptococcus epidermis vial, and this is my nutrient tube. And this is to make sure that everything is sanitized, and my pipette. And I did label this bottle. First of all, before we do it, is we open the little nutrient vial and we make sure we sanitize it, or to heat it up to prevent cross-contamination, like this. And we lay the cap here and clean my pipette. So that's pretty clean. So I'm trying to dry it. I'm drying this right now, and I'm gonna pipette the nutrient broth. Make sure this is dry. So I just want to make sure that I'm putting the right amount of the nutrient broth, or to my organism here. So it's 0.25. See, 0.25, 0.1, 0.5, 0.25. So it's, let me open this up. Let me just heat this up again. And then let me open this. And this is 0.25, so it's gonna be 0.1, and it's 0.25. Let's say 0.25. Try not to touch the mouth. And transfer it here. And make sure it goes through the heat. Same thing as this. And close the bottle. Shake this little vial to make sure everything's dissolved. Okay, shake the vial. And this is my 10% bleach where everything goes. So I put it in a Ziploc, and hopefully it doesn't spill, because I can't find the little pail to actually put my, so I put it in a Ziploc, and I'm trying to actually shake this so the solid matter dissolves. So I'm trying to shake it, shaking it, I'm shaking it, I'm shaking it, I'm shaking it, and that's it. It's pretty much dissolved, and it's brown, kind of tan color. So that's it. I'm trying to make sure it's dissolved before I can transfer it to the nutrient bowl. So it's dissolved right now. So I'm gonna open my cap, get my pipette, clean it, make sure so we can prevent the cross-contamination. Make sure it's dry. And I'm gonna do this again, so you know, just to make sure. Faster the heat. And try to dry this. Shake it till it's dry. I'm gonna open my broth tube and put the cap aside. Put this to the heat. And now I'm going to transfer my Streptococcus epidermis to the nutrient vial. Make sure everything's dry. And I'll put the pipette in the bleach, 10% bleach, and put it in the garbage. And I will go ahead and make sure this is clean again before I close the lid and cap it and cap both. Put this aside because they are bacteria. And this is my epidermis. And I will incubate it for 48 hours and see if there's growth with it after 48 hours. If there's no growth after 48 hours, I have to incubate it more for another 24 hours. We'll see what happens, and that will be in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.